For this one, we have negative 7a squared b divided by 3ab squared divided by the rational expression 21a squared b squared over 14ab. When you have a rational expression divided by another one, there's a rule for that. P over Q divided by R over S. We call this multiplying by the reciprocal. You multiply by the reciprocal of the second term. So P over Q stays the same, and then we multiply by the reciprocal, which means we switch these S over R. Okay, so when we flip those second two, that's the reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal. So let's do it for this one. So we have negative 7a squared. I'm just going to leave the first term alone, 3ab squared, and we change it to times, and we flip that second term, 14ab divided by 21a squared b squared. Okay, and now it's multiply, and if you recall, multiply means we just put the top functions together or expressions together, so you kind of just complete this line here. That multiply symbol means you just combine the tops, combine the bottoms like so. And now we just need to simplify this thing. Well, let's see. Let's do a little bit of cancellation here. I can cancel this 7 with the 21 and leave a 3. And let's combine some exponents here. So we have a squared, and this is a on the top, a to the 1, b to the 1, a to the 1 down here on the bottom. And remember, when you multiply, like a squared times a to the 1, for instance, you add the exponents. So let's clean this up a little bit. We still have this negative hanging around in the front. There's really nothing that's going to happen with that. It's just going to hang out there. We have this 14 on the top. On the bottom, we have 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, and we have a to the 2 plus 1, b to the 1 plus 1. Down below here, we have a to the 1 plus 2. I'm just combining these exponents by adding them. B to the 2 plus 2 power. Okay, let's clean it up a little more. 14 ninths, that's still there. A to the 3, a cubed, b squared. Down below we have a cubed again, b to the 4th. Now, once you're dealing with rules of exponents, there's a lot of different ways to proceed. Some of you probably already noticed some different ways we could have gone in this very problem. But they'll all get you to the right place as long as you're not breaking any rules of exponents. So here I think I'm just going to cancel these out. A cubed divided by a cubed. Those cancel. We could have also done a to the 3 minus 3, use that rule of exponents, which would have been a to the 0, which is 1. That would have also been a way to deal with these a cubes. Let's take a look at these b's. Right, we have b to the 2 minus 4. That's what happens when we divide terms with the same base. Okay, which is b to the negative 2, which is 1 over b squared. So that ends up with a b squared in the denominator. So let's clean it up one last time. Negative is still in front. Now we just have the 14 on the top, and we have 9b squared down in the denominator. There we go.